For today's experiment, our group will be demonstrating an acid-base reaction represented by baking soda and vinegar. In this experiment, baking soda will be our base, and it is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Upon combining this base with the acetic acid inside of vinegar, we hope to capture the release of the carbon dioxide molecules in the form of bubbles. Before diving into the technicalities of this reaction, we're going to show you how to recreate this experiment at home. And to begin, you'll need to gather your materials.
Our first ingredient is baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate.
The chemical formula for sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3.
It's a base, so whenever it combines with water, it loses a negatively charged hydroxide ion.
Our next ingredient is vinegar, which contains acetic acid.
The chemical formula for vinegar is CH3COOH.
When mixed with water, acetic acid loses a positively charged hydrogen ion.
Baking soda has a pH of 8 and white vinegar has a pH of 2.5.
We will be demonstrating this reaction with a volcano.
First, you need an empty 2-liter bottle.
But any size bottle can be used.
Acids and bases will react together until there are no excess hydrogen or hydroxide ions present.
Take 100 milliliters of water.
And I'm just going to be putting it in this container so that I can use the same measuring device. Alright. I'm going to fill this up with 400 milliliters of vinegar.
Vinegar is a weak areneous acid. It also contains acetic acid, making it monoprotic, which means it only has one hydrogen atom.
100.
In a separate container, you're going to need to put a half of a cup of baking soda.
Using a funnel, the baking soda is distributed into the bottle. This is a Bronsted-Lowry base, which means it can accept a proton. This is where we will now add our water to the bottle.
Keep adding our vinegar.
This fizzing is occurring because when hydrogen and hydroxide are released to become water, they also release carbon dioxide. And this is the bubbles and fizz that we are seeing here. This reaction was exothermic because energy was released to break apart the baking soda and vinegar. Hope you enjoyed our video and thank you for watching.